Hi kiddos, on Thursday you guys are going to be asked to practice long division. And I know some of us struggled on that, so I'm going to try to give another little tutorial on this to help you. On Thursday's slides, you're going to be given 2 slides for the same problem. One slide is going to be in the area model format, and the other one's going to be in the standard format, which is pretty much what Mrs. Hillstrom and I have taught you. You're going to just choose one. So there are going to be 9 questions, but each question is going to have 2 slides. So just choose one, the easiest way you think you have, and you can figure it out, and just choose that way to answer the questions. Okay, so for example, the first question that there is 248 divided by 4. And again, there's going to be 2 slides, one right after each other. One is asking for the area model way, and the other one is asking for the standard way. You just choose one, whichever is easiest for you to answer. Now, the area model way, we haven't really touched base a whole lot, so I'm going to try to give you a quick refresher right now. So it's just like our multiplication area model. We're going to break up 248 into expanded form. So 248, make our boxes here for it. And we're dividing all that by 4. So we're going to start with 200 divided by 4. And again, that's kind of a big number, but I know that 5 times 4 equals 20. So I have that, and I have to move my 0 up so I don't forget it. So 200 divided by 4 is 50. Then I move on to 40. Well, 4 goes into 4 one time, and I need to remember that 0. And we should have memorized that 4 times 10 is 40. Then we have 8. 8 divided by 4, that is 2, because 2 times 4 equals 8. Now, since we broke apart our number, we need to add these numbers back together to get our final quotient. Okay, so I need to add 50 plus 10 plus 2, and my final quotient is 62. Since we broke this apart, we've got to put it back together. We need to add all those back together, and that gets you my final quotient. The standard way is just the basic way that we have taught you. We have 248, and we're going to divide that by 4. Now, Mrs. McNamara taught her class the Does McDonald's serve burgers? So first we are going to divide. 2 divided by 4. I cannot do that because 2 is a smaller number. So 24 divided by 4, well, I know that 6 times 4 is 24. So then I'm going to go back and multiply just to double check. 6 times 4 here, well, that is 24. So I multiplied. Now I'm going to subtract 24 minus 24. That is 0. Then my final step, bring down. I'm going to bring down my 8. If I brought something down, I have to start this whole process over again. So I'm going to divide again. I divide my 8 here. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. I multiply this 2 times 4, and that, my friends, is 8. I need to subtract again. 8 minus 8 is 0. And then I don't have any numbers to bring down. I do not have a remainder. My final quotient is 62. Both ways, I got the same final quotient. You choose which way is best for you and only answer one slide per problem. Okay? I hope this helps. Bye.